In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho CRM, a step-by-step demonstration that's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their data management process. Whether you're migrating from another platform or simply updating your current database, this guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. So, let's get started. First, head over to the Zoho website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Zoho's main page. Zoho is a comprehensive cloud software suite designed specifically for businesses, offering a variety of services to help manage operations more efficiently. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign In button, usually positioned at the top right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. So, go ahead. Sign in with your Zoho account details. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up first to access the CRM functionalities. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. From here, you need to navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. Zoho CRM is an integral part of the Zoho ecosystem, offering tools to optimize sales and customer relationships. Once you're on the CRM homepage, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the Sales tab. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools for managing your sales pipeline. Now, within the Sales section, locate and click on the Leads option. Here, you'll manage potential clients and track lead information, crucial for any sales-focused team. Once you're in the Leads section, find the arrow down icon. It's usually positioned near the Create button or the toolbar. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, select Import Leads. This is where the magic happens. Importing leads can significantly enhance your productivity by seamlessly integrating data from various sources. After selecting Import Leads, you'll be prompted with options to upload your data. To proceed, choose From File, which allows you to import data directly from a CSV or Excel file located on your computer. Ensure your file is correctly formatted and saved in a compatible file type to avoid errors during the import process. Typically, it's wise to double-check that your columns match the fields in Zoho CRM for a smoother import experience. This simple yet thorough methodology can minimize potential errors and maximize data accuracy. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of importing data into Zoho CRM. It's a straightforward procedure that, once mastered, can be a tremendous asset to managing and organizing your sales leads efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your data management tasks a bit easier. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.